हेलो एवरीबॉडी, मैं हूं तरुण कपूर। वेलकम बैक टू एजू इम्प्रिंट्स। तो हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं आज नई सीरीज़ को लीगल एप्टीट्यूड की, जो लीगल अवेयरनेस भी आप कह सकते हैं, जो मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चंस हैं। देखिए, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट और हमारा जो आईपीसी है, फैमिली लॉ है, टॉर्ट है, इसकी हमने सेपरेट सीरीज़ चलाई है। मगर इसके अलावा जो भी अदर बेसिक नॉलेज जो आपको एलएलबी एंट्रेंस के लिए चाहिए, ठीक है, लॉ से रिलेटेड, लीगल फील्ड से रिलेटेड लीगल नॉलेज चाहिए, उसकी सभी जो क्वेश्चंस हैं इस मिसलेनियस सीरीज में डाले जाएंगे। सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट ऑफ मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चंस ऑफ लीगल एप्टीट्यूड. You can also follow my other playlist on the channel. I will mention all the links of these playlists in the description box. Okay, so let's begin the test. The first question is, which of the following principles is applicable for the purpose of reducing the multiplicity of proceedings? ठीक है, ए रेस गेटाई, रेस इंटीग्रेनम, रेस जुडिकाटा, रेस एप्सा लॉकिटर. The correct answer is res judicata. C is the correct answer. These are the 15 question series. Second question, who was the first women judge to be appointed as the Supreme Court of India? A. Justice Shrimati Gyan Sudha Mishra. B. Justice Shrimati F.M. Fatima Bibi. C. Justice Shrimati Leela Seth. Justice Shrimati Ranjana Desai. The correct answer is B, that is Fatima Bibi. Third question, a person has designed a new type of scissors for cutting of clothes. Under which act can he seek protection of his invention? A. Patents Act. B. Copyrights Act. C. Consumer Protection Act. D. Arms Control Act. The correct answer is obviously A. The Patent Acts. Fourth question, which of the following best describes the legal phrase amicus curiae? A. Let the buyer be aware. B. The friend of the court. C. At one's own risk. D. On what authority? Answer is B. The friend of the court. Question 5. Sharda Act deals with A. Widow remarriage. B. Child marriage. C. Intercaste marriage. D. Polygamy. The correct answer is child marriage. Next question, sixth question, which of the following laws deal with the intellectual property protection for horticulture products? Basically, A. The Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Act. B. Horticulture Products Protection of Intellectual Property Act. C. Agriculture Patents Act. D. Protection to Biological Innovations Act. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ प्लांट्स वेराइटीज एंड फार्म्स. देखिए, इस तरह के क्वेश्चन से डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. आई हैव सीन दिस क्वेश्चन इन द वन ऑफ द प्रीवियस ईयर, दैट्स वाई आई हैव इंक्लूडेड दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, वेदर नार्को एनालिसिस पॉलीग्राफ टेस्ट विदाउट कंसेंट इज ए. permitted in all the cases. B. Prohibited in all the cases. C. Within the discretion of the court. D. Within the discretion of investigating officer. The correct answer is prohibited in all the cases, obviously. The next, which of the following is not included within the meaning of intellectual property? A. Patents. B. Copyrights. C. Trademark. D. Property of an intellectual. Obviously, the correct answer is property of an intellectual. Very easy question. The main aim of the Competition Act 2002 is to protect the interest of A. Multinational corporations. B. Indian companies. C. The consumers. D. The market. The obviously correct answer is C. देखिए, confuse करने के लिए देंगे, ठीक है. उसके बाद, which of the following judges had never been the judge or the chairman of the Law Commission of India? A. Justice P.C. Lahoti. Justice A.R. Lakshmanan. Justice Jeevan Reddy. Justice Jagannath Rao. The correct answer is A, that is P.C. Lahoti. Then, which among the following was the first Chief Information Commissioner of India? A. Wajahat Habibullah. B. Irfan Habib. C. Tahir Mahmood. D. Nazma Heptullah. The correct answer is Wajahat Habibullah. An encumbrance in legal parlance is A liability on property, B grant of property, C guilt of property, D restriction on release of a prisoner before completion of his sentence. A release, B parole, C acquittal, D lease. The correct answer is parole. The result of successful prosecution is A acquittal, B discharge, C conviction, D charge sheeting. The correct answer is conviction. Name the first women advocate in India. A. Cornelia Sorabji, Mrs. Anna Chandi, Mrs. Monica David. D. That is none of the above. Obviously, the correct answer is Cornelia Sorabji. Okay, so these are the 15 questions. Do comment your marks in the comment section, and if you like my videos, do like, comment please करिए ताकि मुझे भी पता लगे कि what quality content I am giving to you, and share my videos to your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get the notifications automatically. Thank you so much. Hope to see you all in the next session.